We are planning out our garden, and this little gardener is remembering what things are. What's that over there? It's our favorite.
Dinosaur tail?
That's right. Do you remember what I have way over here?
Cilantro?
No. We've got asparagus and artichoke.
And what is that?
It looks like cilantro almost, but that's parsley.
Parsley? Cilantro?
That's right. Where this one is? Broccoli.
Broccoli?
And we have strawberry spinach,
Strawberry spinach.
2 types of beets, types of lettuce. What are these? What did we put down first? I know you like that word. Onions. Yeah, onions. Okay, so these ones should do all right since it's still cold out. We can go ahead and plan out these. I also have a red onion and some garlic that decided to go around my kitchen, so I thought they deserved a chance in the garden. It is very important to plan out your garden before you start planting, so space your plants out. If you want to get really perfect with it, you can get on measuring tape and get things exact. But looking at these plants here, I only brought out the ones that can stand the cold weather right now, so I still have a ton of plants inside. And wow, this garden is going to be packed. But I know that a lot of these are going to stop producing soon, and then the summery ones are going to take over, so it'll be all good. Having too many plants rather than having too few is a nice problem to have, I think. So yeah, I'm excited. Time to get these down in. And you want to plant on a day that's very overcast and cool, or plant right at dusk. If you're putting new plants in the soil, that'll give them a chance to get over the shock factor while the sun is not beating on them at the same time. All right, so all the planting is in for now until it warms up. Always put a pop of color into your vegetable gardens. Primroses are edible as well, so they're still a useful plant in that regard. And the more color you have, the more insects that are friendly you will attract. These really love color. And so do butterflies. Alright, so the garden is fully planted now. We're only missing tomato cages, and I'm going to be making those shortly. Okay, I'm standing on the wall right now because we're trying to grow grass, and we'll see how successful that is. Alright, so you can see the soaker hose is all the way through the garden. And we'll start up here. We've got a sunflower, primrose, strawberry spinach, asparagus, zucchini, green beans, artichoke, kale that a rabbit got into our gardens. So we're going to be putting chicken wire back there up against the fence to try to prevent that again. The marigolds don't seem to be so happy, so I'm working with those. Got an eggplant and strawberries, and the primroses are phasing out. It's getting a little too hot for them. Here are the tomatoes that went down in. We have parsley, basil back there. And then over here we have broccoli, and I wish I could show you more of the flowers of the broccoli, but I went through here the other day and I ate them. So they were really, really good. And we've got pepper plants and the cilantro. I've already been able to harvest some of the cilantro, so it's not as big as it was. Garlic back there. The lettuce was another thing that the rabbit got a hold of. And we've got some cucumbers and beets, more beets, and onions and more sunflowers, chives, thyme. I am hoping that the little baby watermelon plants that I planted will be taking off soon as well. So we'll see with those, because we love our watermelon. And there you go, the grand tour.